Hello! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Kayak Outriggers. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. A kayak outrigger is a device that helps to stabilize a kayak. It is usually attached to the side of the kayak and extends into the water, providing extra support. Kayak outriggers can be very helpful, especially for beginners or those who are not experienced in kayaking. They can also be helpful for different types of excursions, such as fishing or camping. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best kayak outriggers. Number 1, YakGear Kayak Outriggers. Number 2, Brocraft Kayak Outriggers. Number 3, Meter Star Kayaking Stabilizer. Number 4, KUNPENG Kayak Outrigger Stabilizer. Number 5, Lixada Kayak PVC Inflatable Outrigger. Number 6, Bicaquu Portable Kayak Stabilizer. Number 7, Pros and Cons, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.